Something bad will happen soon.
This is a test. This is a test. This is a test. The following is a test of a new emergency alert system.
I hear something. Let me see. Why is my TV is turned off? Why? But I want to show you that my new TV with my me. Is it gonna be rich and then whole mother? And if it can beat me. Churras. It's made by CNA TV. Alright. Now he's Maury and he's carrying those Maurys because those Maurys came to put a TV and matter. That's why. It's 5:50. While I love this.
This is a test. This is a test. This is a test. The following is a test of a new emergency alert
This is
system.
the EAS I hear about. Oh my god. I think I put Shanky XE. Oh! What is the remote controller? Let me see, he's a parrot. This is here yet. Right here. Where is she? Damn it. 20 anymore. Let me pick some water. No. 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 Please open the door. My gosh. Yeah. No. No. Please, someone help me. I believe it's you. I believe it's yours. And I come. What?
This is a test. This is a test.
Look my house.
This is a test. The following is a test of a new emergency alert system.
Octopus. How can I control this? Oh, a remote controller. Bye bye. It's too easy. No one can beat me. What the hell is happening? Who turned around this? It's clogged. This is not good. Just look my house, but different. My house is not here. Is the houses or something bad will happen soon? Oh no. Need to go back inside the call. Call the cops. Here's a phone. Dude, I don't have a password. I'm down here. 911. Yes, this is her house. Let's invade. Come. I need to teleport. Now, I need to breathe. Goodbye. I hear about something. This is like pirate TV. Ah! Oh shit, not again. What? Uh-oh. Ah!